Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to truly absorb the information. Today's video is all about the 51st state. Why some people want Washington, D.C. to become a state. Let's explore this fascinating and often debated topic together. Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States, is home to the White House, the U.S. Capitol, and the Supreme Court. It's where many of the country's most important decisions are made. But here's something surprising. Washington, D.C. is not a state. It's a federal district created by the Constitution to serve as the nation's capital, separate from any state. For many years, people living in D.C. have debated whether it should become the 51st state. Why? Well, even though D.C. residents pay federal taxes and serve in the military, they don't have full representation in Congress. They elect a delegate to the House of Representatives, but this delegate cannot vote on final laws. And they have no senators at all. The phrase taxation without representation is a big rallying cry for people who support D.C. statehood. Supporters argue that more than 700,000 people live in D.C., which is more than in some small states like Vermont or Wyoming, and they deserve the same rights as other Americans. Opponents, however, say that making D.C. a state would give too much power to one small area or require a constitutional amendment. Some suggest giving D.C.'s residential areas back to Maryland, the state it was originally part of, but opinions on that are divided. In recent years, the movement for D.C. statehood has gained attention, with Congress even passing a bill in 2021 to make it a state, though it has not yet become law. For now, D.C. remains a unique place, not a city, not a state, but the heart of the federal government. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video, which is very important for mastering English and understanding American culture. Please give this video a like and share it to help us continue growing and creating even better videos. See you in the next adventure.